Thank you very much.
जागृति मत बेटा सेंटर में हाँ वेरी गुड। अरे भाई मेरे को दिखता ही नहीं है, ये क्या हो गया? आँख को ब्लर आ रहा है ना, जो भी बोलते हैं।
Yes, can we
हाँ
have
फोन
two
है
mics?
भाई, मोबाइल तो साइलेंट कर।
रोहित पिक्चर क्या करना भाई बैग हटा के
Director of PVR Inox Limited, Mr. Ajay Bijli, to share a few words with us, sir. Please. Yes, round of applause. Yes, sir. That's your way.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for taking the time out and coming here for this very special occasion. I want to thank, in no particular order, Sajid, Imtiaz, Tripti, Avinash, and Preeti for coming here, just now taking the time out for this new initiative that we have launched, which is bringing some classics back onto the big screen. And I just can't tell you how happy I am, because it shows two things. One, that despite everything that has happened after COVID, and despite these movies being available on all sorts of platforms for a fraction of an amount, yet people, Indian moviegoer is just incredible, insatiable appetite it has to go out and watch movies on the big screen. And that's what makes whatever we've done over the last 34 years at least worthwhile, because we've tried to make all our cinemas very experiential. So that means movies must be seen on the big screen. So I just can't tell you, I'm completely overwhelmed by the response of all these classics. And I also want to thank the filmmakers who made these stories which are timeless. इसकी शेल्फ लाइफ छोटी नहीं है, बहुत लंबी है। 2018 में this movie got released, so I'm guilty of not watching it at that time. But after seeing the trailer, it just blew me away, and I must compliment the two of you as well. I mean, whatever little I've seen of the performance looks quite amazing. And Preeti, you're the producer, not just the presenter. So well done, and just very happy with this initiative. And all I can say is that from our point of view, we commit ourselves to playing lots of such classics which come back again. I think we're releasing it tomorrow on 75 screens. I've been told that Tripti's sister also can't get a ticket. But we will pull that one. And also just want to compliment you guys here for all the wonderful work that you're doing. And thank you for being here. Thanks very much.
Mr. Ajay? All right. Imtiaz, sir, can we have a few words from you, please?
It's a dream come true moment for all of us over here, and this just strengthens our belief in the audience, which Ajay says wants to come and watch films on the big screen primarily. And it's just overwhelming to be here. Imagine a movie that doesn't do well and is pulled down from the theaters within a week. 6 years later is brought back. Not because we wanted it, because we would have wanted it to run for many weeks right in the beginning. But because of two things. And the larger thing is the love and the voice of the people. The audience of the country is also finding out ways of being heard. This is one such thing, where they say that if they want to watch a certain film, which as Ajay said is available already in OTT, etc., but if they want to see it on the big screen, they will damn well get it back. And that is what has happened. Cinema lives on forever. And the second critical component over here is PVR and Ajay's vision and his love, your love, sir, for cinema itself, which drove you in the first place to come out with the PVR chain and theatres 34 years back. 34 has it been? Yes. So they provided and they kept these movies alive in their hearts and their minds. A few weeks earlier, Rockstar was released, and Ajay and I were both here talking about the release of that film and the fact that that did well, thank God, again with the love of the audience. So they want to see this kind of thing on the big screen. it gives emphasis to the producers, directors, and people like all of us to do better, actually. To not play film industry like the stock exchange, but actually make things that live on forever. And the title and the kind of theme for this Laila Majnu event, I feel in my mind, is Love Never Dies. So let's keep that in mind, and congratulations to all that are present here, but also to those that are not present here who are equally a part of the team. That is Ekta and her whole team. And you know, when you say that movie lives on for a long time, even more than that, the music lives on, I feel. पत्ता अनारों का, पत्ता चिनारों का, जैसे हवाओं में. To the man that wrote that also, we'd like to thank. We'd like to give thanks. ऐसे भटकता हूँ दिन रात मिलता हूँ मैं तेरे राहों में. So of course these lines are meant to live forever, and the music that accompanies it. So to Joy Borua, to Niladri Kumar, to Irshad Kamil, to Ekta, and the whole team that's missing now, we did it, guys. Congratulations. Let's hear it from the man who made the movie. That is Sajid Ali. The movie belongs to the director. Let's see what he has to say.
Seriously overwhelmed. This is something that none of us expected to be sitting here today. And I don't know how much, what I can say on this day. As I sit here, I feel that the public has already spoken for us. And as I sit here today, I feel zero ownership of this film. I think it belongs to the people. And thank you so much to the people to drive it back to the theatres and to give us this opportunity to watch it again with you. And heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the blessings that we got from the land and the people of Kashmir. You will live in our hearts forever. Thank you. The mic to Preeti, our producer, who's taken the risk.
Actually, the risk was taken by Balaji, so my really heartfelt gratitude to Ekta for showing some trust when we wanted to make the film. And today I'm really overwhelmed that this film is coming after 6 years again to theatres. All thanks to the love that the audiences have shown in the last 6 years into making this film into a cult. And thanks to Mr. Ajay Bijli for having this platform where we can bring the film back in big screens, launching such things. And also I didn't get the opportunity to thank my actors 6 years back. Thank you so much for your brilliant performances. Thank you, Imtiaz, for presenting the film. Thank you, Sajid, for making this film the way it is right now and having it to drive it to where it is right now. Thank you so much. Yeah, I did.
And thanks to you also, Preeti, for having the heart to make a film like this. It's not easy.
Thank you. And this time, and I think this time around, looking at the how tickets are being, the seats are being filled, how quickly it's going over, I think this time around the film is going to be a hit, definitely.
Okay, yeah. A few words.
Well, it's a very special moment for all of us sitting here, I feel. It's been 6 years to the release of Laila Majnu, and आज जब मैं बाहर खड़ी थी सबके साथ, I think this was something that we did long back when our trailer was releasing. We had the same butterflies in us, and we have the same level of nervousness, same level of excitement, and this is just a very special feeling, I would say. And 6 साल हो गए फिल्म को, but मैं बहुत बार बता चुकी हूँ ये बात साजिद सर को, वो मुझ पे विश्वास नहीं करते थे पहले कि आज तक एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं गया है, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल डे वेयर आई हैवंट रिसीव्ड अ मैसेज on my Instagram or Facebook for Laila Majnu. I mean, the kind of love that we've received for this film is
amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing. And जब हमने announce किया था actually कि कश्मीर में film वापस release हो रही है, तो मुझे इतने सारे messages आए from people कि यार why not in Australia, why not in London, why not in Delhi, Bombay. And जब मैंने कल post डाला कि अब it's releasing all over India, everybody is just extremely happy, and I think this is only possible because of their love. So I want to thank the audiences first, and then thank my entire team for making a film like this, because it is something that will always hold a very special place in my heart.
Thank you so much. Avinash, do you have a few words from you?
I still remember when the film released, Imtiaz sir said that a film is for life, and if it is any good, it will keep finding its audience. When he said that, I did not want to believe it, because मेरी फिल्म तो नहीं चल रही है थिएटर में. But over the past 6 years, the amount of love and credibility that we have earned from the film, the love that we've received from the audience, there's this constant feeling that they wanted to go out and scream to the world. For those who had seen it, they wanted to really scream it to the world and say, please watch this film, this is something beautiful, something brilliant. And they've been screaming this for the longest period. And finally, I think we have PVR Inox, who actually is listening to you, who's listening to the audience. And it's time now that you are heard, so keep your voices up. Make sure that you keep raising it, because there's someone listening to you. But thank you so much for making this happen. This is an incredible feeling. Like I keep saying, the third day when I went with my family to watch this film, the posters were being pulled down. To going to Srinagar, a release happening. I think it's still running houseful there. I see houseful on major screens here in Bombay. I think it's going to happen all over the country. All I can say is thanks. I just want to thank everyone here, and it's a great feeling. Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Ajay sir, before I shoot out a question to you right now, I just want to share this experience. Yesterday I got a call for hosting this event, and I mean, it's a coincidence that I was in Kashmir for the last 7 days. Alright, I went to Srinagar, I went to Gulmarg, I went to my family, and the last one which I did is Belgaum. And yesterday I was just getting boarding on the flight, and I got a call to host this event. So it's such a coincidence that when honestly I saw the trailer yesterday. I had not seen the movie before, but I saw the movie yesterday, and I said, wow, I mean, Kashmir, and I got this call. So it's such a lovely coincidence that I'm hosting the show today. So just wanted to share that. Right, sir. And so, Ajay sir, yeah. Thank you. All right. My pleasure, sir. All right, Ajay sir, I'm going to shoot out a question to you. That is, what inspired PVR Inox to launch the cult classic IP